Looking for woodworking plans? I got 4 words for you. Woodworking plans. 16,000 of them. You don't have to be able to count to know that's a lot of plans. You can build chairs, tables, and toys with these plans. Ted put together an awesome collection of plans that are easily readable and things you want to build. Is it Ted the UPS guy? No, it's Ted the woodworking guy. These are some mighty good plans. Ha, got you on that one. This is Steve, Mr. Good Tools, the tool guy. And if you want to build some awesome stuff, then you need to check out Ted's video about his woodworking plans. Follow the link. You'll be glad you did. You're sitting there on the computer when you could be making sawdust. I love making sawdust. So let's all band together. And I did it again. Gotcha. Now go watch his video. Don't be the last one to the party. I did it again. Now I have a riddle for you. If you're a real woodworker, you'll get it right off the bat. The answer is on the thank you screen after you put in your email. So this is Mr. Good Tools, over and router. Did it again. That was another one of those bad jokes. Talk to you later, guys.